Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by installing Wallpaper Engine from Steam on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Launch the app once to complete initial setup and enable the Steam overlay. Open Wallpaper Engine settings and confirm folder access to your pictures and videos. If you plan to use animated wallpapers, allow background activity and GPU acceleration. Note the location where your wallpapers are stored on disk. This ensures quick access when selecting lock screen images later today. Browse the Wallpaper Engine library and pick a wallpaper that suits your lock screen. Prefer wallpapers with 1920x1080 or your display resolution for best clarity. If you want a custom look, open the wallpaper editor and import images, video, or web files. Export a static PNG or MP4 at 30 FPS when using motion wallpapers to reduce CPU load. Save your exported file in a clearly named folder so you can locate it during Open Windows Settings and go to Personalization, then select Lock Screen. Under Background, choose Picture and click Browse to find your exported wallpaper file. Select the PNG or MP4 you exported from Wallpaper Engine and confirm the choice. If using an animated video, ensure your Windows version supports video lock screens or export a static image instead. Lock your screen or restart to verify the new wallpaper appears. If it does not, check file permissions and re-export using the same resolution settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.